Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share one recipe which you guys can make it at your home. So today I'm going to share the recipe of puff pastry with stuff. The stuffing will be Maggie, guys. So for that recipe I am making Maggie right now. So you can see and here is the puff pastry, guys. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make the stuffing in this sheet and I'm going to bake it in the oven, guys. Hey guys, can you see? I kept that sheet in the baking tray, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the Maggie into this sheet. Hey guys, can you see? I put the Maggie in that puff pastry sheet. What I'm going to do, I'm going to spread this Maggie so that when we cut, you will get these noodles, guys. This is very tasty recipe. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some mozzarella cheese in the top of the Maggie. So I added some mozzarella cheese in the Maggie, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to take one more sheet like this and I'm going to cover. Here guys, I kept one more sheet. Can you see? I kept one more sheet into this. If you want, you can make one more layer, guys, but for us this is enough. What I'm going to do, I'm going to keep it in the oven, guys. So you have to bake this one for 180 degrees C up to 10 to 12 minutes, not more than that. And my puff pastry with stuffing Maggie will be ready, guys. So this is very easy and you can make this one for the snacks. Hey guys, I kept it in the oven. Can you see? I kept it in the oven and it will take 15 minutes. Hey guys, my puff pastry is ready and inside the stuffing is Maggie. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this one into slices. Then I will show you guys. So this one nothing happened. It separated, that's all. But this is very crisp, guys. So I will show you. Hey guys, can you see? So I cut this one in the triangular shape and inside is Maggie and cheese. So it's looking like bread pakoda, guys, but this is not bread pakoda. So yeah, so I'm going to taste this one and I will let you know, guys. So this is the quick video of how to make puff pastry with the stuffed Maggie. See you soon in my another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye.